A lot of the newer iPhones have this action button above the volume buttons, and it can be configured to do a lot of different things. But it can also be kind of confusing. Here's how you set up and use your action button. First, we'll go to Settings and then navigate to the Action Button settings. You'll get this list of available functions that can be assigned to your action button, and you can simply swipe between them. Some of them are pretty basic, for example, using the button to toggle on silent mode or launching the camera. But there are other options as well, and if you get creative, you can use the button for a variety of things. You can, for example, assign the button to a specific toggle in your control center, so it can, for example, trigger dark mode or airplane mode, or whatever you'd like. If you use shortcuts on your phone, it can be assigned to a shortcut, or nothing at all. I think the key limitation with the action button is that it can only be used for one action. Personally, I like to keep it basic and use it for the silent mode, but I'm curious what others are using it for. Let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to get more easy and quick guides like this straight into your YouTube feed.